It's a tale of two worlds across South Africa, with sunny and hot conditions in the west on Friday, but cloudy, cold and rainy over the central and eastern regions, with only 18 in Johannesburg and a flood risk in place for the interior. So here's the detail. More continuous showers and thunderstorms expected this Friday and into the weekend over large parts of the country, with our accumulated rainfall model behind me picking up at least 50 millimeters likely to accumulate from Friday into Sunday night in the shades of pink over parts of the Northern Cape, almost the entire Northwest and the Vrystaat, as well as later parts of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as Gauteng, and this includes the wild coast of the Eastern Cape. But in the black spot, we're expecting the next 3 days another 100 millimeters likely to fall for parts of Northwest and the Vrystaat, as well as the wild coast of the Eastern Cape and the southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal, due to a low pressure system expected to bring continuous rainfall in those regions. That's why we have a yellow level 2 warning in place for the possibility of severe storms leading to localized flooding on Friday for large parts of the Northwest province, the northeastern regions of the Northern Cape, as well as the Vrystaat, later the northern regions of the Eastern Cape and the northwestern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Now, we are expecting showers and thunderstorms to continue throughout Friday in a band stretching all the way from the tropics over our neighboring countries, stretching over Northwest and the Vrystaat. Showery conditions expected in those regions, and later stormy weather also reaching the Eastern Cape, with more showers in KwaZulu-Natal and the latest thunderstorms moving in from the Northwest. We can clearly see you'll have a poor PV harvest on your solar panels due to that thick band of cloud still hanging over the central and eastern regions of South Africa. A northeasterly wind blowing strong mainly offshore along the coast of the Eastern Cape, where we've got a yellow level 1 warning in place, and then that icy northerly wind will continue to bring in showers for the northern and central regions of South Africa. But in the west, berg winds are still heating up parts of the west coast, with 35 degrees in Vrystaat, 29 in Cape Town, 32 in Langebaan. And as mentioned, due to the heat, a few heat-induced storms are likely on Friday to reach parts of the Boeland, the Overberg, as well as a few isolated storms likely to bubble up over the mountainous regions near Laingsburg. And then later stormy weather also moving over the bordering regions of the western and the northern Cape. Storms later moving over Beaufort West, and a few isolated storms even likely to reach parts of the Little Karoo. Lower 20s expected along the southern coastline, 23 in Pietermaritzburg Bay and Gqabi-distrik, where it's going to be windy. Some cloud expected with showers over the eastern regions of the Eastern Cape, but then later stormy weather also expected to move in from the north with widespread showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. It is going to be quite chilly to cold, with maximum temperatures not reaching 20 degrees. And then another cloudy and showery day for KwaZulu-Natal, with scattered showers on and off, and then later thunderstorms also moving in from the north western regions. A few severe storms likely to move here over the bordering regions of the Vrystaat and KwaZulu-Natal. More cloud and rain in the forecast for Mpuuma-Natal. It will remain chilly to cold, with maximum temperatures not even reaching 20 degrees. And then rainy conditions along the eastern escarpment on Friday. Lots of cloud hanging over Limpopo, but at least most of the rain will start to clear up. We're only expecting a few isolated light showers, but temperatures in the lower to mid-20s over the northern regions. Scattered showers moving over large parts of Northwest, where it's going to be cloudy and cool to cold, with thunderstorms moving in from the western regions and spreading in an eastwards direction, where we've got that yellow level 2 warning in place, as well as over the northeastern regions of the Northern Cape. That thick band of cloud stretching over large parts of the Northern Cape, and as mentioned, later stormy weather also expected over some parts of the central Karoo. A band stretching all the way over the Vrystaat, where it's cloudy, cold and rainy, and more thunderstorms expected throughout Friday. Only 18 in Bloemfontein and a yellow level 2 warning in place. A few of those storms could result in a heavy downpours and isolated localized flooding. In Gauteng, it's still cloudy, cold and rainy, with only 18 degrees in Johannesburg and 21 degrees in Pretoria. And then looking ahead into the weekend, that band of showers stretching more eastwards, still hanging over Northwest Gauteng and large parts of KwaZulu-Natal, but starting to clear up from the west. But as mentioned, we've got a low pressure system moving here over the coastal regions that's going to bring an onshore flow of heavy rainfall, most likely on Saturday into Sunday for parts of the wild coast and the southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. We'll keep a close eye on that system. And then on Sunday, another cut-off low weather system developing from the west that will now yet again stretch storms more westwards over large parts of the Cape provinces. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely Friday.